Good morning, children. In the previous session, I did the textbook activities of the Unit 3. Cleanliness is next to the godliness. Isn't it, children? Hope you all complete the textbook activities in your textbook. So, let us start a new poem in this session, that is The Clock. It's under Unit 3 only, children. All of you open your textbook, page number 29. Page number 29. The poem name is The Clock. You all know about clock, right, children? Why should we use clock? To know the time, right? Either it's morning or evening, but whatever the time is going on at present, we come to know that through the clock. Whatever the hands and numbers we have in the clock, through that numbers and hands means gadiyarada mullugal. So, through them we come to know the timings. Isn't it, children? In this poem, we will learn about what are the characters we have in the clock and also whatever the features it has and how to know about the timings through the clock in different ways. Everything we have to learn in this poem, children. So, we all know that the present different kinds of clocks, hand watches are there, wall clocks are there, digital clocks are there, right, children? Different kinds of clocks we are using at present. But in olden days or in the ancient period, there is no these kinds of clocks were there to know about the time. Then those people, how should they know about the time? How they come to know the timings? They will come to know the time with the direction needles. Then later they have to find out or they researched about clock. Similarly, the first clock created in the year 1510. It means in the 16th century. Now we all are in 21st century, children. But the first clock was found on the earth. It was in 1510. First clock. Clock or watch, they call that. And then later we know that different kinds of clocks will developed and researched by the human beings in different years, and finally at present we are using so many kinds of clocks to know the timings. So here is a poem about the clock. I'll read the poem, children. Look at the poem carefully. Keep your finger on the lines. I am in the clock cream and I am okay. I tick all the night and I tick all day. I have got two hands. I have got two hands. I am having a ball because I have got no arms at all. My big hand can move 60 minutes. My big hand can move 60 minutes in 1 hour. I am the one with the strength and power. My small hand is not quite as fast. If they were in race, it would come last. It takes so long just to get around. 12 hours. It's careful, small and slow. Now meet my friends that help me tick tock. Half past, quarter past, quarter to and o'clock. Do you understand something in this, children? Yes, you all know about this. I'll explain it now, children. I am in the clock creel. What is the meaning of creel in the poem? I am in the clock creel. Creel is nothing but a team. Team or group of people work together ಅನ್ನುವಂಥ meaning ಕೂಡ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. It means here is a team to work in a clock. Who are in the team? In the clock. First we come to know the team means. Team is many members are there in one team. For example, cricket team, kabaddi team, kho team. You all know about teams. More than 2 persons are there in a team. Yes, children? Similarly, in a clock also we have many characters. So, who are the characters? Which are the characters we have in the clock? For example, in a clock, you all are having your textbook, children. So, look at your textbook and look at this clock. What we have inside this clock, children? We have 2 hands, right? Similarly, in some other clocks, we have 3 hands, right? Some clocks having 2 hands, other clocks having 3 hands. And then, except that hands, any other characters are there inside the clock? Yes, we have some numbers from number 1 to 12. In each and every clock, we have 12 in numbers. Right, children? 1 to 12. 1 ರಿಂದ 12 ರವರೆಗೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಕೂಡ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಕ್ಲಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಹಾಗೆ ಕೆಲವು ಕ್ಲಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಇನ್ ಕೆಲವು ಕ್ಲಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So, which are these 2 hands and another one third hand? First hand. First hand means it's a small hand. It's very important hand in a clock. Look at a clock here, children. Roughly I'll write here, children. So this is a clock. Inside the clock we have the numbers. Along with numbers we have a small hand and a big hand. Along with that, one more hand we have in some other clocks. That is a third hand. So it's very thin. Third hand should be very thin. So I will introduce about these hands, children, first. The small hand, it shows hours. So we call it as hour hand. Hour hand. Next, second hand is a big hand. Then it shows each and every minute. That we call it as minute hand. Minute hand. Similarly, this thin called as second hand. Second hand. Like this, there are 2 or 3 hands in the clock, children, and there is a ball. They are not having arms like human beings, but for where they stick with the ball in the middle of the clock. All the hands are all the 3 hands sticked with a ball in the middle of the clock. You all know about that, children, because in every home we have clocks, right? Once you look at your clock and watch or see the hands, how many hands do you have in your clock, and how many numbers do you have in that clock? Okay, check that, children. Then here also this clock telling us, the clock is talk to us or telling us, I am the clock. Just think about it. ಅದು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನಮಗೆ, I am the clock cream. It means I have a team with me. ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಕ್ಲಾಕು, ನನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಟೀಮ್ ಇದೆ. ಟೀಮಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ? ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. Along with that, a ball I have, right? I am okay. I tick all night and all day. Each and every second I am moving, right, children? There is no rest at all to the clock. So prati kshana adu moving alli irutte. It's take all night. But human beings are sleep in the night, but clock, there is no rest for it. ನಮಗಾದರೆ ರಾತ್ರಿ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆದರೂ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ಮಲ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದ್ರ ಮೂಲಕ ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಸುಧಾರಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ ಅಥವಾ ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಆದರೆ ಕ್ಲಾಕಿಗೆ ಯಾವ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲೂ ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. 24/7 ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್, ರೈಟ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್? ಆಲ್ ನೈಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡೇ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 24/7 ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಆಲ್ ಡೇ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಾಟ್ 2 hands. So it informing us about the team members. Here is a team with me ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಲ್ವಾ, ಆ ಟೀಮಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. I have got 2 hands, I am having a ball, and because I have got no arms at all, ನನಗೆ ಮನುಷ್ಯರ ಥರ ತೋಳುಗಳಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದರ ಬದಲಾಗಿ ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಏನಿದೆ? 2 ಕೈಗಳಿದೆ, ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಒಂದು ಬಾಲ್ ಇದೆ. Because those 2 hands fixed in the middle of the clock with the help of a ball. So, and then it says, my big hand can move 60 minutes in 1 hour. It says about its hands. ಸೊ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಕೆಲಸ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ 2 ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಲ್ವ ಕ್ಲಾಕು, ಆ 2 ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ದ ಕೆಲಸಗಳೇನು? ಮೈ ಬಿಗ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್, ನನ್ನಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತಹ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಕೆಲಸ ಏನು? ಫಾರ್ 1 hour ಇಟ್ ಶೋಸ್ 60 minutes. ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮೂವ್ 60 minutes in 1 hour. 1 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಅದು 60 minutes ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತೆ ಅಥವಾ 60 minutes ತಿರುಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ದ ಒನ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಂತ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪವರ್. ಸೊ ಐ ಆಮ್ ದ ಒನ್ ವಿತ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಂತ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪವರ್. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಈಚ್ ಅವರ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಟರ್ನ್ 1 round in the clock. So that it says I am very strong and power. My small hand isn't quite as fast. ಆದರೆ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಬಿಗ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಷ್ಟು ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ಲೋ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಇಫ್ ದೇ ವರ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ರೇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ವುಡ್ ಕಮ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್. ಏನಾದರೂ ಬಿಗ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಎರಡನ್ನು ರೇಸಿಗೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟರೆ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ, ಬಿಗ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಬಿಗ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಮಿನಿಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್. ವಿ ನೋ ದಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಈಚ್ ಮಿನಿಟ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಮೂವ್ ಫಾರ್ ಒನ್ ಲೈನ್. ರೈಟ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್? ಕ್ಲಾಕಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತಹ ಬಿಗ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, 1 ನಿಮಿಷ ಆಗಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಗೇನ್ 1 more minute it will change here. Next 1 more minute it will change here. Next 1 more minute it came here. Next 5th minute it comes to near 1. When it comes to 1, number 1, then it says I completed 5 minutes. I passed 5 minutes. Right children? Similarly, it is so strong and power. Which one? Big hand. But the small hand, it's also important, but it is little bit slow when we compare to the big hand. And then it takes so long just get around 12 hours, you know. But the small hand, so long just get around 12 hours, you know. So our small hand ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಕ್ಲಾಕಲ್ಲಿರೋ 12 hours ಕೂಡ 1 hourಗೆ ಒಂದೊಂದು ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಹತ್ರ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸ್ಲೋ. ನಿಧಾನ ಆದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಅದು ತುಂಬ ಹುಷಾರಾಗಿ ಅದರ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ನೌ ಮೀಟ್ ಮೈ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್. Then again clock said, now I'll get you to meet my friends. So idra friends na meet madista idini. Who are his friends then? Shall we check them? Who are his friends? Yes, we want to know them. It says that help me TikTok. ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ನನಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಕೆಲಸದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೋ ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ನನ್ನ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸು, ಬನ್ನಿ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ನನ್ನ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸನ್ನು ಮೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಕ್ಲಾಕ್. Who are its friends then? Half past. It says half past. Half past means 30 minutes. 30 minutes ಅನ್ನು ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? Half past ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Half past. Then this is the first friend of the clock. And next it says quarter past. Quarter past means 15 minutes. 15 minutes called as quarter past. It means if I draw the timelines 3 o'clock, right children? So when the minute hand comes to the number 3, then the time, how should we read the time? The time is 3:15. And also one another way we can say it, quarter past 3. Quarter past 3. If the minute hand move towards 6, if the minute hand move towards 6, then we call it as half past 3. Half past ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಧ ಗಂಟೆ ಮುಗಿದಿದೆ. 3:30. ಆ 30 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದನ್ನ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್, ಹಾಫ್ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್, ಗಡಿಯಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ಅರ್ಧ ಗಂಟೆ ಮುಗಿದಿದೆ. Then it called half past. When the minute hand move towards 9, number 9, then the clock said now the time is 3:45 because our hand is near to 4 now and minute hand is near to 12, or is in the place of 9. Place of 9 is called as 45 minutes. 45 minutes ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಮಗೆ ಮಿನಿಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕು? 9 o'clock ಬರಬೇಕು. Then in English we call it as quarter to the next number. So quarter to 4. How should we identify this? Quarter to ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ that is 45 minutes ಹತ್ರ ಇದೆ. 45 minutes ಆದಾಗ quarter to ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ quarter to 3 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಲ್ಲ, quarter to next number, that is 4. If it is 3:15, we can say quarter past. If it is 3:45, we can say quarter to 4. Got it, children? So, and then one more friend, that is o'clock. O'clock means the time is, now the time is 4 o'clock. At that time, minute hand should be in the place of 12 and hour hand is exactly in a number, in any number. Okay. Now it's in the place of 4 and the minute hand is in the place of 12. It says 4 o'clock. Got it, children? So here clock introduces its friends who helped it to tick tock every seconds. They are quarter past, quarter to, half past and o'clock. So you all know about how to identify the time through this poem, children. May I hope you all understand this poem, children. Here clock introduces its feature and its friends through this hands and numbers. Okay. Hope you all understood this. Next we will move on to the exercise. Draw a clock and show the time your school starts. You all know your school timings, right, children? In the morning, at what time your school will be start, or what is the time of assembly? You can draw a clock and then identify or mark the timings there. Okay. Next, complete the poem and copy in it your notes. But you have to complete the poem in the textbook only at present, because second paragraph or second stanza and third stanza 2 lines. Full second stanza means all the 4 lines in second stanza, and in the third stanza there is only 2 lines they given in the activity or in the second exercise. You can look at the look at the stanzas in the poem, and then where they given the blanks, you can complete that, children. In the last, pick out the rhyming words for the given words and write them. We all know that in each and every poem we get some rhyming words, isn't it, children? Where we get rhyming words in the poem? By the end of the line. Similarly, in this poem also we get some rhyming words by the end of the poem. Look at the first stanza, children. First stanza, first line and the second line. First line ending word okay. For that, which is the rhyming word? Next line ending word, that is day. Okay, day, day, okay. Next, third and fourth line ending words, ball, all, ball. Okay. Similarly, second stanza and third stanza also we have some rhyming words. Identify those rhyming words and underline those too. Okay. Hope you all do it. And after completing your activity, just you can take a photo of that page and then send it to me. I will check it and then informing you did you correct and right. Okay. Thank you, children. Meet you in the next class.